Yo, what's up, friends and family? Back at it again with another little video. It's your boy Kubo. Today we're gonna go do H pipe on the 5.0. First, I need to go get the keys though, because I lost them. So I got my DD right here. Yeah. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be giving you guys a little cold start of the stock exhaust, and then we'll go from there. Sheesh. Alright guys, right here we got the whip. We're going to be doing the cold start first with the stock exhaust setup. We're going to do a little preview of that, and then at the end obviously we're going to do the whole thing right with the H pipe setup on the active exhaust that the Ford Mustang has. Alright, cheers. Alright guys, obviously you guys could hear the nice idle, just regular stock setup. I'm gonna give you guys a little revs just so you can hear it, and then we'll go from there. That's a little bit of it. Obviously it's a cold start. I'm not gonna go all the way up because then I'm gonna fuck something up, but we'll do the full-on noise clip at the end with the H pipe setup. There we go. Up she goes. Rocking that army. Hey, how do you think it's gonna sound, bro?
I'm gonna say throatier.
Yeah?
I'm gonna say throatier.
I think it's gonna sound like a Prius.
No, pues.
Sheesh. Alright guys, this is the big suitcase that's coming off. It's a resonator right there. Looks ugly. Check it out. That's where that nice piece of metal is going on there. That H pipe is gonna be going on there. Let's go. Y'all make sure you come out, see my man if you need some exhaust work done. What type of stuff do you do here, brother?
Anything exhaust related. Yeah.
Sweet. Alright, you heard that. Grossi's, right?
Grossi Muffler, yeah.
Grossi's Muffler out here in Buellton, California. Come check it out. He gets the job done.
Oh, the boss is over there. Look.
And then, ¿dónde está? Y el boss allá anda bien relajado, making sure the customers are good.
The boss.
Look at that. Sheesh. Sir. Alright guys, y'all make sure you stay tuned for this whole build. Y'all make sure to come out. Grossi Muffler right here, man. This guy does quality work. Really cool guy. Anything exhaust, come check him out. Alright guys. Sheesh. Alright guys, look at this. Who needs a suitcase to go to Mexico with? Right here. Selling it, $5. Check it out. Look. Oh man. This thing's like 15 pounds. It's huge. That's going in now. Check it out. Clean. Huh? Just leave it like that. It's basically open headed at that point. No exhaust. Alright guys, we got everything set up. We got the poles so I can dance on them for you. Sheesh. Everything's nice and lined up. Ready to go. Look at that. So nice. You want me to dance on the poles for you or what?
I'll do it right now. I got one on me.
I only do 10s and ups. I'm sorry. Sheesh.
Yeah, boy.
I'm about to lose my eyesight over here. I'm gonna have blue eyes for sure, but not in a good way. Whee, look at that. Let's go. Alright guys, check it out. The final. Nice. Yeah. Super nice. Quality work. Look very nice. Super nice. Alright guys, that's it. Now we're gonna see how it sounds once we put it down, and we'll go from there. I'm excited. Alright guys, it's gonna come down right now. You know, like when you're at the strip club, coming down. Yeah, and nay, right? Coming down. And we're gonna fire it up, see how it goes. Let's get it.
We got a happy customer.
Oh. That should sound. Woo! Hey, I'll go make sure you stay tuned with my boy Nestor over there. That's the man right there. Makes all the dreams. See this happy face? Yeah, thanks to him. Let's go.
The mechanics.
You think it's a game? You think it's a game? It doesn't even matter. Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Hey, yo, what's my